Welcome back to another Mermaid Monday where we talk about everything mermaid. So today I have my makeup bag, makeup bag and my handy dandy mirror that I just found. So if you haven't guessed it by the title of the video, we are doing our makeup. So this is my mermaid makeup tutorial. I am no beauty guru. I will probably reiterate that every single frame of this video. I am no mastermind of makeup. So this is what I personally do for whenever I go swimming with my waterproof makeup for my performances. So now we're gonna jump back in time about 20 minutes ago. All right, so I did that fun intro with my makeup already done. So before I film that part, I'm filming this part. So I have my two main brushes that I use. They are mermaid themed. They are mermaid themed, as you can see. Super pretty. So this one I'm using for my eyeshadow part. And this one I'm using for also eyeshadow, but more of eyeliner eyeshadow. I do not use eyeliner because every eyeliner I use, waterproof or not, doesn't stay on for me. So I use eyeshadow as eyeliner and it just works for what I use it for. You can also use stick eyeliner, that usually stays on for me too, but I can never find my pencil sharpener. So the products that I will be using is this mascara, I believe it's CoverGirl. The label rubbed off, so I can't tell you. I'm gonna try and Google it. Here's what it actually is, if I can find it. And then I use L'Oreal Infallible. It's 24-hour. I have black for my eyeliner. Black for my eyeliner. And almost kind of white-ish for kind of like a highlight on everything and to give a lighter touch to things. Dark blue because my whole theme is kind of a bluey theme. And then a teal color that is a little bit brighter. This is what I use personally. Lately I haven't been using the teal color because of my Spellbound tail is more of a dark blue. If I wear something that's brighter, I wear the brighter eyeshadow. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna toss that aside. One thing about makeup here that is very difficult is I live on an island. We do not have an Ulta. We don't have a makeup store. Every makeup I get is from Kmart or Walgreens. Just saying. So a lot of this stuff is gonna be a little bit more affordable. When I used to have like acne breakouts and stuff for performance, I haven't had that happen in a very long time. I used to use the Kat Von D waterproof concealer and that worked really well. But for the purpose of this one, I never use concealer anymore, so this is what I personally use. So this is all that you need right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on my face. Zoomed in on my face. All right, cool. So, first thing I started off with is my base color. This is gonna be the darker blue. So we're gonna open this thing up. Just take this, rub it on. It really doesn't take much. Like I brush it once and it's very pigmented. So then we're just gonna kind of close this eye and kind of smother it on. One thing about putting on makeup is this is not like an everyday casual look. This is like I'm about to get my photos taken and I'm about to swim underwater. And when you're underwater, everything gets paler, colors change, and you gotta smack that stuff on to be able to show up for camera. So we're just gonna pull this way up, not all the way to our eyebrow, but like high up there. We're gonna just smudge this all around. say I'm not did I already say I'm not a makeup guru here? Because I think I cannot emphasize that enough. I also like to add a little bit of the darker down here below my eye, because it shows up really cool for like photos and stuff. Back up. Next we're going to do the lighter part of it, so that way we don't get like black smudges everywhere. Save that for last. So I'm just going to finish brushing off. Take a little bit of that and put it in the corners of my eye. It over into like the center more, so we'll blend that a little later. But we're gonna go ahead and switch over to the other corner. Alright, we're gonna brush this out a little bit. Now we're gonna kind of smudge it around and blend it just a little bit. I don't have different blending brushes. Again, emphasize enough. Not a makeup guru here. I feel like that's blended a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna use my finger here and I'm just gonna get a little bit of a dab and then I'm gonna put it on the arc of my eyebrows. I haven't plucked my eyebrows in a while, so this is gonna be a little difficult to do, but whatever. Now for the black. I use this only for eyeliner purposes because this stuff stays on for a long time and will not come off unless you scrub it off with soap water. Put this on like I would any eyeliner, kind of line the eye. Now we're going to do the underneath of the eye as well. Give like a little bit of a wing, but not really. It's going to kind of blend in with the blues. Other eye. Kind of clean up around my eye because I make a huge mess which is why if you're putting on any kind of powder, foundation, whatever, always after the eye because I can make a mess. Alright, after you clean up around your eye, add your mascara. How you do your eyes. And then one product I did forget to mention earlier that I also use is this lipstick. It's L'Oreal. It's also L'Oreal. This is the color that I like to use because it looks more natural. I also like liquid because I can kind of clean it up a lot better. And yeah, so this one kind of just works the best for me. It stays on. If I like go out and eat and stuff, I have to reapply it. But if I'm just swimming, don't even have to reapply. So we're just gonna put this on. Your like glossy stuff. Okay, so it's been really hot lately, so the glossy part of it has kind of melted, but all is well. So this is kind of my underwater mermaid look that I do whenever I go to swim. Zoom out. This is my underwater mermaid makeup look, usually whenever I do like a basic performance or something. I do have another look that I like to do with the brighter colors, and then I also have all of my land look because I have a lot of eyeshadow that is not waterproof that I do enjoy wearing. So, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see another one, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you think it turned out. I promise it looks better in photos. And I know it's like high up there, but you know, whatever. I'm no makeup guru. So this is just what I personally do for my performances or whatever I'm doing. If I'm just putting on mermaid makeup to swim in, this is the look that I use. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you will be notified for new uploads. You know, even if you're already subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell because that bell will notify you when there's new uploads. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to my blog. I will put a card up there if you want to check out my website to subscribe. I do have a lot of really cool and exciting things coming soon. I don't have a launch date yet. I will keep you guys posted as they come. I had fun making this. Hopefully you had fun watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes.